A Japanese court found 3 former soldiers guilty of sexually assaulting a female colleague on Tuesday. The victory marks the end of a long battle for victim Rina Gonoi, whose fight for justice challenged taboos in the country's traditional, male-dominated society. 24-year-old former Self-Defense Forces member Gonoi's case relates to an incident in 2021 during her time in the army. She says she was pinned down by 3 male colleagues who pulled her legs apart and pressed their crotches against her in a simulation of a sex act. The defendants deny that their acts amounted to sexual assault. Gonoi spoke to reporters outside the district court in Fukushima.
I think it was good for Japan's society that the court handed down a guilty verdict and admitted the claims that I've made from the very beginning. The verdict shows that it's not okay to do things for a laugh, that such acts are an actual crime. I hope the defendants think about what they did and reflect deeply on their actions.
The men, aged from 29 to 31, seemed to show little expression as the judge read out his verdict. They were each given a suspended sentence of 2 years. Gonoi says she was subjected to persistent harassment after enlisting in 2020. She complained to her superiors at the time of the 2021 incident, but later decided to leave the army when no action was taken. Gonoi went public with her accusations in 2022, a rare move in Japan's conservative society, where speaking out against sexual violence has remained largely taboo. Japan's defense ministry then issued a public apology. The ministry also announced that 5 men connected to the incident had been dismissed and 4 others punished. It also began a widespread survey of harassment in the military and its linked entities, which found more than 1,400 complaints. Gonoi is also seeking damages for the alleged assault and the subsequent inaction despite her complaints, in a civil case against her former peers and the government. The cases come at an awkward time for Japan, which is trying to recruit more female soldiers into its forces and build up its military, an effort to deter an increasingly assertive China and nuclear-armed North Korea.